Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson, we're going to be doing percentages of an amount with a calculator. So let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being asked to find the multiplier for 40%. What this means is, if you want to find 40% of a number, you can simply multiply it by a single value, and that will give you the answer. So how do we find these multipliers? Well, if you're finding 40% of a number, the multiplier is usually going to be the percentage you're finding, which in this case is 40, over 100. So in this case, our multiplier is going to be 40 over 100. And if we put this into our calculators, we'll get a value of 0.4. So the multiplier is times 0.4 if you are finding 40% of a number. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another one-star example. Here we're finding the multiplier by 30%. So it's going to be the percentage value over 100, which gives us the following, 30 over 100, which simplifies to give us 0.3. So if you're finding 30% of a number, your multiplier is times 0.3. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do one final one-star example. Here we're looking for the multiplier for 3%. Well, to find the multiplier, we put the percentage over 100. And in this case, it's going to be 3 over 100, which simplifies to give us 0.03. So to find 3% of a number with a multiplier, you multiply by 0.03. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a two-star example. Here we have to find 20% of 176. So the multiplier for 20% is going to be found by putting 20 over 100. And 20 over 100 is 0.2. We can then multiply this by 176 to get 20% of 176. And the answer here is 35.2. If we check our answer, there it is. Also, whenever you're finding a percentage of any amount, you multiply the percentage multiplier by the amount. We'll do another two-star example. Here we're finding 6% of 338. So to find the multiplier for 6%, we're going to do 6 over 100. We're then going to multiply this by 338. 6 over 100 gives us 0.06, and then we multiply this to 338. This gives us an answer of 20.28. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now we're going to do a three-star example. Here we're finding 81% of 389. So the multiplier to find 81% of a number is going to be found by doing 81 over 100. And then we're going to multiply this onto 389. 81 over 100 gives us a multiplier of 0.81. And if we multiply this by 389, we get an answer of 315.09. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do one final three-star example. Here we're going to find 23% of 125. So the multiplier for 23% is 23 over 100. And we're going to multiply this onto 125. 23 over 100 gives us 0.23. Multiplying this by 125 gives us an answer of 28.75. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson of finding a percentage of an amount with a calculator.